Hi everyone, my name is Richard Herzog and welcome to Herzography. Today I'd like to talk to you about a new connector in town, and it's called QD, and have a lot of people asking, what is that? So QD stands for Quick Disconnect, and this Quick Disconnect is a system that uses a push button release. Here you can see on this little swivel, as well as a socket that goes on the other end. And these consist of the two main parts that make up the QD system. So the disconnect system, this was developed back in the firearm industry. It has a very strong robustness and reliability, and this system has now been adopted quite well into the photo industry. So this disconnect system now you can find in L plates. You'll see it in tripod accessories. You'll see it on lens feet, and they are machined out of stainless steel to industry standards. So even though you'll see that the way these are machined from aluminum, the inside of this socket is a stainless steel insert. So that way they maintain the standards for the industry for QD. For camera straps, depending upon the strap, you can convert over an existing strap to the QD system by purchasing these swivels separately. I have a friend that uses a custom SLR strap and converted that strap with the swivel push button, and I did that here with my black rapid strap. So I'll show you that real quick. So here's my black rapid strap, and I've got the QD connector on the bottom here. So makes it very simple to go ahead, pop that in. This has a nice swivel to it that is standard, and then it just makes it very easy to be able to put this on and off. Now, this being my black rapid strap, it's very comfortable. You know, it has a really nice padding on it and other features to it. But when I first started with this whole system, the whole system I started with was from a Magpole strap, which is a firearm accessory. And this was originally available through Really Right Stuff because they were putting the QD connectors on all of the L plates and just camera plates. They really embraced this whole system right away. So this particular strap comes from Magpole. It's still available from Magpole today, and once again I'll put that in the show notes. This particular one is actually very unique in that many of the camera straps have two connection points. And a two connection point strap is really only useful if you have two connection points on your camera system. So most of the time you're going to find you only have one connection point. So it's just easier to say that with this particular strap, what they've done is they've put this connector on the strap, which makes it very simple to click this into place. And then once this is in, and that is all locked in place now, now I have one connection point. So as I did before, now that is just going to mount on there and become very comfortable and secure. Now this particular strap doesn't have that slider method that's on my black strap, black rapid strap, and I did need to put a shoulder pad on here to make it a little bit more comfortable when I was using it a number of years ago, but it's still a very strong and secure strap. I still recommend these straps highly, and I'll have links to that in the show notes. It has a sliding bar so you can, make the strap longer or shorter right away. Yeah, it has a lot of very nice features to it. So as you are looking at these different straps, either converting one or getting one specifically with the QD connectors. That leads me into the next strap, which is the QD system is for a tripod. Now, years ago, when I was using Really Right Stuff products a lot, I came up with a tripod holder using QD connectors. I used a Really Right Stuff tripod leg collar, and I used a Really Right Stuff quarter 20 QD socket that has a screw, and it screws into the apex on the tripod. So it gave me 2 points of connection, and then I was able to then put a strap on for my tripod. And it makes the tripod just really easy to carry. Now, if you're using a Leo Photo tripod, I'm not sure about any of the other manufacturers if they've come out with this, but Leo Photo's actually come out with a kit, a QD kit for your tripod, which is pretty ingenious. They came up with the same thing that I did, which was to put a collar down here. So you buy this kit, it comes with a collar, it comes with the apex screw, and it comes with the strap. So this makes carrying a tripod very effortless, because now your tripod can be here, your hands are free, you can put it to the side and carry a backpack if you don't want to put the tripod into your backpack. Just makes the whole system of carrying a tripod very, very easy. And their connectors, once again, it's all made to industry standards. Oh, that was hard to get out. And very easy to snap in and snap off. So this quick disconnect system is just a real pleasure to use, whether it's a tripod or more so on your camera. There are different plates. You know, if you want to get just a single camera plate like this, once again, QD connector here. This is a lens. This is a plate for the bottom of a telephoto lens. So this would go on the foot that comes with your camera lens, which I originally used when I got my 100 to 400. It has little flanges that stick up here, so that way it won't twist, as well as having the QD socket underneath. So that made it very convenient to start. But then I went ahead and switched the plate, or the foot I should say, on my 100 to 400 to this replacement foot here. There's all kinds of manufacturers that make replacement feet, from Really Right Stuff and Kirk and many others. I decided on this one from ProMediaGear. I like the larger holder in here. They have sloped it. It's not just on a straight right angle, so it makes it very easy to pick this up and hold it with your hand. I just find it has really good ergonomics to it. And it actually screws in, which makes it very secure instead of having a clip and a knob. None of that extra little hardware on there. So, but of course there is the QD connector right there, and very convenient. This also has safety stops in it that are screwed right in that you can take out, but I wouldn't recommend that. So QD connectors are just showing up everywhere. So, and if your camera doesn't have a QD socket, like here on my Z30s, these plates, I think these are from SmallRig. They don't have the QD socket in them. So there are these great little attachments that you can purchase, these little accessories. They slide right on, and then you just tighten it. Now I've got a QD socket. I also have straps if I want to put a camera strap on there, which I'm not sure why I would, because the QD socket now is going to be able to go right into the camera strap. So that's a great little accessory to have around. I've actually also used this accessory on my main camera, because this way, if I want to, I can slide this down and attach that on here. Now I can take the Magpole strap, and this is what I used to do way back when, and I'd use this one connector here and this connector here. Then I have 2 points of connection for my strap, and depending upon how I'm shooting, sometimes that just gave me a little bit better control with holding my camera for long exposures, but more on that in another video. Anyways, that's about everything regarding QD connectors. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and give it a like, and look forward to seeing you in the next video again real soon. Bye for now.